Okay, if you saw me walking down the street, would you think I'm giving crochet, tees, or a wig? Drop down in the comments and let me know. I wanted to give you guys a fun video. You know I hate the boring tutorials. Asteria hair always gives the boys and girls looks, and this is no different. I'm going to give you all the details in preparation for the Black Friday sale, so subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, kiki with me in the comments, and make sure you keep watching. Now, y'all are not co-washing your wigs enough for me. Saturate that hair, and then you want to go in with a super ultra hydrating conditioner. I'm using the Miracle Curls conditioner. Use globs of it. I mean, get lost in this conditioner. It's less than $5 at the drugstore. And now this hair is super coily. It's 18 inches. It's 250% density, so you're gonna put up a little bit of a fight when you're detangling, but it's worth it once you get it under control. And now that it's air dried, look at these soft, lush curls. When I tell you this rich chocolatey color is so vibrant, it looks so good. I actually wanted this color. So you guys are gonna see, I wanted to have a little bit of fun. I wanted to do a natural color, but something a little bit more of a different look for me. Because you know, I typically do the natural black, the burgundy, but what about the rich chocolatey browns? Those can work and look gorgeous. Now, to define these curls, I'm actually going in with the leave-in conditioning milk by Aussie. It is super amazing, and I love using this detangling brush. This is what helps to kind of like clump the curls together and gets them ultra defined. This may reduce the volume, as you guys can see the difference in the texture, like before adding product and afterwards. For those of you who don't want as much density, this is an option. If you want to leave it like in its more natural state, you can do that as well. But this hair responds beautifully to the product, and I just love how springy the coils and curls are. Now, I can't get enough of these curls. You guys are gonna hear me gushing over this because this is grade A. Now, granted, we did get a lot of shedding during the co-wash process, but you still got a lot of hair. This is 250% density. So you don't have anything to worry about. I believe the first co-wash is going to be the most like intense, so don't be overwhelmed. Now, as you guys see, I used the blow dryer to cool the hair down, but I'm gonna set that aside and we're gonna start working on this braid, okay? Yes, we're doing a braid. This braiding hair is actually in the color number 4 as well, to best match the color of our headband wig. Now, I took about 3/4 of the pack. Didn't want to use the whole thing because the braid would be huge. Once you have your desired density for your braid, you're going to go in and pull on the ends. And this is so that you have that tapered look. You don't want it to look blunt. You don't want it to be choppy. And then you're going to take your paddle brush to follow up just to make sure that everything is clean and neat and you don't have any knots when you're braiding. Now, with the scrunchie, I'm going to add it at the midpoint of the section of hair, and I'm just going to take one piece and pull it through so that I have a nice secure loop on the midpoint. But take your time making your braid. Don't play. Be neat about what you're doing. Now, if I could do this, I know you guys are capable of doing this. So you definitely believe in yourself. You can do it. Now look at the tapered ends. You just want to wrap a rubber band around it tightly to make sure that it doesn't come undone. We are on the money. I'm excited. Just wait. We're about to get into it. So Asteria hair did change the construction of the cap. They still have the 3 combs at the front. I actually love these combs, and they have the Velcro attachment to secure it in place and tighten it, but then they also have additional combs at the nape. So honestly, the Velcro is new, but again, I prefer the old cap construction. Now I put it on, the hair is still a little bit damp, so you guys can see it's not as voluminous, but you guys will see the volume. It just intensifies and it enhances as it dries. So I like to put the hair up so that I can, you know, fasten the Velcro piece. I honestly don't like the Velcro. I do not like the Velcro. I wish they would have kept the old cap construction. That's my preference. But I did use the combs, just 2 of them on the left and right sides, but be very gentle. You don't want to, you know, cause any breakage. Now the look is already coming together. This is a look here. Now you're like, but your hair is darker than the unit. Have you ever had your hair done and perhaps your roots grew out a little bit? Same kind of vibe. Same kind of vibe. But what the braid does is it gives us a little bit of versatility, and it's so easy to secure this. Like, take that scrunchie that we attached in the middle, and you're just gonna create like a little ponytail with the end of the braid. That's the best way I can describe it. I hope you guys, you get the vision. And honestly, just make sure that the braid conceals the headband on the actual wig itself, and add some razzle dazzle. Don't be boring, have fun with your looks. This is so gorgeous. Like, I was feeling it. This looks like a crochet style. Like, I'm dead. Like, this is it. I can't tell you what. And the rich chocolatey lip, everything. This has to be one of the tightest headbands I have ever used. I have a 23.5-inch circumference head, and this was just crazy trying to get it on. It is super tight, but this is how you know your wig is not going anywhere if you use this to help secure your unit in place. I love the colors, the pink and the blue, very, very cute. But oh my God, it's tight. Now look at the little side swept kind of flip over vibe. This is a look, okay? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, you guys know I love style inspiration, so I'm just going to show you a few ways to just finesse your look, okay? We're faking crochet with these headband wigs. We're keeping it fun. We're not going to be vanilla, okay? So I used this satin scarf that they actually sent me. I love the colors. I believe this looks so gorgeous with this brown lip color, and it just goes perfectly with the hair color itself. But I wanted to do like a little ponytail, not quite like a super big pineapple. You know, I didn't want to fluff out the curls or comb them, but I'm using an elastic band scrunchie that I made. They're super easy. I have a tutorial on my channel because this will hold all of the hair and then some. But look, super cute, super chill, keep it relaxed. We're trying not to make these styles super tedious. We want to be quick. We want to be in and out with these styles. And then of course, you know, we have to do like that top bun, the top knot. That's like super huge, especially when you don't want your hair in your face. You want it out of the way, you're getting active. This is a great alternative for those of you who are big into physical activity. Trust me, this is the answer. Now look at this, I love this. So this is the updo, and you know, I wanted to play around and show you guys how it looks when it's down, and then I did sort of like this half up, half down with the sort of halo or crown braid as the headband, or a way to conceal the headband. So minus the shedding, we did a really good job with this. Y'all need to add this unit to your wish list, and when Black Friday comes around, use those codes. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this because this is everything. But make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, meet me in the comments, tell me if you're feeling this look, and I hope I see you in the next one. Make sure you guys take care, be safe, and slay all day.